Hi! Shalom everyone! So today we are going to tour Israel and I'm here with Abby and Kenny. Inintisunukan the road. And Analo! Hi! We are going now to Lod. That Lod was one of the first city that the tribe of Benjamin settled down. So now we are going there. And we are going to visit some important and historical sites. Yes, Evgeny is here and Analu with me to explore. I don't know. And we bought coffee. Ta-da! 5 shekel coffee. It's so nice. Yeah. So now we are in the city of Lod. Here in Lod, people living here are both Jews and Arabs, nakon?
Yes.
So, yeah, it's a, how do you call that? Coexistence. My friends and I love it so much. It's very solemn and it's amazing. Hi! We are going somewhere else. This is Analu. Yes. Okay guys, so now we stopped by to British military cemetery. It's it's a cemetery that they built for all those who have fallen after World War One. Hello guys, Shalom. So we are here in Neve Shalom, and as you can see, there is something here honoring a Palestinian who saved the Jews, and on the other side is honoring Jews who saved Palestinian. So in Neve Shalom, there is a coexistence because both Jews and Arabs live here, and it's a really beautiful place. It's really beautiful. We are now here in Neve Shalom. Neve Shalom means oasis of peace, as you can see, like an oasis. And we have a special guest. What is this? No. Let me introduce to you Yevgeny. Come here, yay! So we will tell you more about the Neve Shalom and everything that's happened now. So you can tell it now about Neve Shalom and the
It
people.
is the village of Jewish and Arabs what live together. From here we can see the Nafalunmo Catholic monastery. There is the Hawan, only one building for meditation in Israel you have in this village, and wonderful view.
Yeah, it's beautiful here, guys. So you know